Music is a huge part of our lives and our videos, but finding the right music without getting a copyright claim can be challenging. This video will give you 10 different sites that offer royalty-free music downloads in 2022 and tell you why they're so great. 1. YouTube Audio Library. YouTube Audio Library gives you a free license to use its music. It has over 300,000 tracks and can be used for various purposes. You can find royalty-free music and sound effects on the platform, and you can download these audio files on your website or social media channels as background music. 2. Artlist. Artlist is a website that provides royalty-free music for people to use in their videos or other projects. The quality of songs and SFX is excellent. The site has a wide variety of genres and moods available, making it easy for anyone to find something they want to use. 3. PremiumBeat. PremiumBeat by Shutterstock is another popular source for royalty-free music. It provides high-quality beats and background music. Visitors can choose from a wide range of genres and moods to meet the needs of any project. PremiumBeat's library is constantly growing with new songs, soundtracks, and loops from top composers in the industry. They also offer a free trial for their service if you want to try it out before buying anything. We all know that music is an integral part of the storytelling process. It can set the mood, create suspense, and make us feel something. As we continue through our list of 10 best royalty-free music sites, we would like to give you Filmstock, where you can get royalty-free music along with motion graphics and stock footage for your videos. Let's get back to our list. 4. Storyblocks. Storyblocks is a website that offers royalty-free music for filmmakers, video editors, and other creatives to use in their projects. The site is divided into 3 broad categories: emotional, cinematic, and ambient, so you can use their music to better tell your story. 5. Pond5. Pond5 is a modern music website that enables people to download royalty-free music. They also have a library of sound effects which can be used in any project. Their selection is vast and caters to all tastes. 6. HookSounds. HookSounds is a royalty-free music website that offers a huge selection of music that will make your video more engaging. They have over 100,000 music pieces to choose from, and they are constantly adding new tracks. 7. Soundstripe. Soundstripe is a music website that provides royalty-free music for video production, podcasts, or any other type of media. They offer a wide variety of genres and moods to help you find the perfect music for your project. Soundstripe offers different types of licenses depending on the user's needs. There are licenses for personal or commercial use and licenses with varying distribution levels. For example, broadcast. 8. AudioJungle. AudioJungle is a royalty-free music website that offers sound effects, music loops, and stock music for video production. AudioJungle has been around since 2003. It was founded to create a platform for independent musicians to sell their music to other video producers. The site offers an extensive library of over 300,000 tracks from over 12,000 artists. 9. BenSound. BenSound is a royalty-free music website that provides a variety of songs and soundtracks for different purposes. With the help of their API, you can find the perfect song for any occasion. One of the benefits of using BenSound is that they offer free music to use in your videos as long as you credit them and respect the free license terms. 10. Amazon. Amazon is a company that we all know and love. They sell everything from clothes to food to electronics. They also have a music library that is free to use, which was their latest addition. This library contains over 2 million songs and has been the largest in the world. We make new tutorials every week, helping you create fun and dynamic videos. If you want to stay in the know, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.